If your web page is loading slowly in Firefox, the good news is that you can usually figure out the cause in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step process to diagnose a slow loading web page in Firefox so you can tell whether the issue is the website itself, your browser cache, or even a graphics-related performance problem. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips and browser fixes. Let's get into it. First, open the web page that's loading slowly in Firefox. Once the page is open, press F12 on your keyboard to bring up the developer tools. If the tools open in a panel, look for the Network tab and click it. The Network tab is one of the best places to start because it shows you everything the page is loading, including images, scripts, style sheets, and requests to external servers. Now reload the web page while the Network tab is active. This lets Firefox capture all the network activity from the very beginning of the page load. As the page reloads, pay attention to how long each request takes and whether any items are taking a very long time, failing to load, or showing errors. If you see one resource hanging for too long, that can point to a server issue, a large file, or a problematic script slowing the page down. This is a great way to separate a browser issue from a website performance issue. Next, let's rule out corrupted local data. Sometimes a web page loads slowly because the cache or cookies stored for that site are causing conflicts. To clear that out, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard to open the Clear Browsing Data window. Make sure you're focusing on the specific site if possible and clear the cache and cookies related to that website. After that, close the page and reload it again. This step is important because old cached files can sometimes cause slow loading, broken layouts, or repeated refresh problems. Cookies can also interfere with login states or site behavior. If the page becomes faster after clearing that data, then you've likely found the cause. If not, don't worry, we still have a couple more checks to try. Now we'll test whether Firefox's hardware acceleration is contributing to the problem. Hardware acceleration helps Firefox use your graphics card to speed up certain tasks, but on some systems, especially if the graphics driver is outdated or unstable, it can actually cause lag or slow rendering. To test this, open Firefox settings and search for performance. In the performance section, uncheck the option that uses recommended performance settings. Once that option is turned off, you'll be able to manually control the hardware acceleration setting. Find hardware acceleration and toggle it off. After changing the setting, restart Firefox if needed, then load the web page again and compare the speed. If the page suddenly feels smoother or faster, your graphics driver or hardware acceleration settings may be part of the issue. If there's no change, that still gives you useful information because it helps narrow down the cause. If the page is still slow, the next step is to test Firefox in Troubleshoot Mode. This is one of the best ways to check whether an extension, theme, or custom setting is affecting browser performance. To do this, click the menu button in the top right corner of Firefox, then click Help, and then click Troubleshoot Mode. Firefox will ask you to confirm, and once you do, it will restart with extensions disabled and many customizations temporarily turned off. Now go back to the same web page and see if it loads faster in this mode. If the page works normally here, then the slowdown is probably being caused by an add-on, a theme, or another browser customization. If the page is still slow even in Troubleshoot Mode, then the issue is more likely related to the website, your connection, or system performance outside of Firefox. At this point, you've completed a solid diagnostic process. You check the Network tab to see what the page is loading, cleared site cache and cookies to eliminate corrupted local data, toggled hardware acceleration to test for graphics-related lag, and used Troubleshoot Mode to isolate extension or setting conflicts. That gives you a very clear path toward finding the real cause of the slowdown instead of just guessing. If this video helped you diagnose a slow-loading web page in Firefox, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful browser tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.